Let's quickly draw this pattern. I've gotten my plain paper and I've drawn my line. So with measurement of 2.5, I draw my first circle. From the tip of the circle, I make measurement of 1.4 centimeter, and from there I drew another circle. So I'll be using my ruler now to connect the tip of these circles from the long side, okay, to give it a kind of oval shape, as you can see. So from where the circle meets in the center, I'll draw a straight line like so. So now after this, we'll fold it into two, okay. So from the fold edge, we'll take in 1.5 centimeter, okay. So now from the line in that runs through the circle, just measure 0.3 centimeter up and down and connect the lines, both the back, the up and also the down. Then we're going to curve this end here, okay. So now after curving this, we'll measure from the tip of the 0.3 centimeter that is up, that's from here down 1.9 centimeter. Then with the edge of our ruler, we will connect this line, giving it kind of triangular shape. So now from this point, we'll measure 1.7 centimeter, and also a little bit down, measure 3 centimeter. So the 3 centimeter runs down, so we are going to connect that with our ruler, okay. So now all I'm going to do now is try to give this place kind of curvy shape, just as I'm drawing, okay. Try as much as possible to get it right, because this is crucial in fixing the collar vamp, okay. So after this, we cut it out. It's just this because it's going to be two together, okay. So I'll quickly cut this out, then we will cut our leather with it, then I'll show you how to fix it. All right, so while doing this, make sure that everything stays in place, and this is what we have. Okay, so I'll use it and cut my leathers now, and we'll fix them all together. So now all the leather comes into, so this way you pass through and this way you pass through, okay. So this is a kind of collar cross slide. This is how it looks like. You can use any color of your choice to fix this up, okay. Plain pattern or just plain or of same color. So here I have fixed it, and this is how it looks. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, subscribe to my channel for more.